There's a conspiracy theory floating around for every day of the week. You know it, I know it. Sometimes it's fascinating, sometimes it's crazy, and sometimes it's strange enough to be true. Well, this is Guam. This is a reference point. The heck is that? There's something there that's been blocked out. It's, gosh, almost the size of Guam. Of course, Guam isn't really all that big. But right south of it, if you look on Google Maps, something has been crossed out. You know, and you can tell from the terrain. I mean, there's a mountain there. There's something pushing up. There's probably land there. You can see the landmass of Guam is doing the exact same thing right here. Something there. Okay, there's an island there. You can tell by the you know, mountains around it and the terrain under the water. There's something there. So are they hiding an entire island in the South Pacific? Or am I going crazy here? Or honestly, what is this? What is this? I mean, some of the terrain you can see perfectly. Some of it is blurred just randomly. I mean, what's the point of that? What the heck? What? Sorry, this video is going to be giving you more questions than answers. And then over here, you got some kind of digitized nonsense or what? I don't know, man. I don't know. So, I just wanted to bring this up. And if anybody can tell me what this is in the comment section below, I'm not even going to speculate as to what that looks like, but you know, it's this is like a straight line here. I mean, that was drawn there. Okay, the straight line is not a landmass. That's not natural. In other words, you know, that was put there on purpose. This blue blob in the middle of the ocean. You can see it from quite far away, too. And look, there's more blue blobs over here. What the heck? Whoa. Marker Islands. I didn't even notice those blobs. Okay. You can actually see part of the island in this blob. Look at that. Why? You can actually see the outline of the island underneath the blob. Okay. Does anybody have a theory on this? Go to, where was I here? Go to Guam. Go south. You'll see blobs everywhere. More over here. What? Okay. You got island of Colonia right there. And you have a blue blob. Sure, and why not? Anyway, if you have any wisdom or insight on the blue blobs, please let me know, because I'm all kinds of curious as to what on earth these things are and why they're there, because it's very interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the flip side. I'm out. Yeah.
I'm coming home.